the fresh waters.
Mm-hmm.
Look, I found a drink.
Okay.
Come to the end of the water fountains.
Okay.
I like the end of the water fountains because I ate too much ice cream.
Oh, okay.
Ugh, I'm getting a bellyache.
Oh, boy. Too much chocolate ice cream.
I want a chocolate ice.
But you
What
just
are
said
fresh water?
It's fresh water. It means it's just fresh. It's pure.
What's an asteroid?
An asteroid is a rock that flies in outer space.
With a globe.
Oh, okay.
How do you say globo in Spanish?
I don't know. How do you say it?
Globo is a Spanish word for
I don't know.
globe.
It is?
Globe.
Okay. Globo.
Can we fly to the balloons?
I don't know. Can we?
How are we going to fly to the city and deliver the presents?
I don't know. We're on a sleigh.
Feliz Merry
Navidad.
Christmas.
Feliz Navidad.
I'm excited for Christmas.
Me too.
Merry Christmas, Mom.
Merry Christmas, Alex.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad.
But I always wanted to celebrate Christmas in the holiday.
Okay, me too.
I don't know how we're going to get ready for Christmas.
Well, we'll get the Christmas tree up. We'll get more decorations up.
I'm going to hang some Christmas decorations,
Uh-huh.
play Christmas games, make Christmas food, and more. Woohoo!
Woohoo! Awesome.
Don't do that.